Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to learn some basic Tagalog phrases that every beginner should know. First, let's learn how to greet someone. In Tagalog, hello is kumusta. Repeat after me, kumusta. Great! Now, to say goodbye, you say paalam. Let's try again. Paalam. Awesome. Next, let's learn thank you. In Tagalog, it's salamat. Salamat. To be more polite, you can say maraming salamat po, which means thank you very much. Repeat after me. Salamat. Maraming salamat po. Well done! Now, let's learn yes and no. Yes is oo or opo, and no is hindi. Repeat after me. Oo, opo. Hindi, hindi po. Again. Opo, oo, hindi, hindi po. Lastly, excuse me is paumanhin. 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 Let's practice. Paumanhin. Paumanhin po. Paumanhin po. You're doing great! Keep practicing these phrases and you'll be speaking Tagalog in no time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Tagalog lessons. Maraming salamat at paalam. See you next time!